If you're trying to eat healthier, lose weight, or simply live longer, you've likely considered a plant-based lifestyle. But what's the real difference between a vegetarian and a pescatarian diet, and how does each one affect your body at the nutrient level? Today, we'll break down the science, explore the nutrients, and help you decide which is right for you. What is a vegetarian diet? A vegetarian diet avoids all types of meat and fish but may include dairy and eggs. This includes lacto-vegetarians, who eat dairy but not eggs. Ovo-vegetarians, who eat eggs but not dairy. Lacto-ovo-vegetarians, who consume both dairy and eggs. The core of the vegetarian diet is whole plant foods, vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains. These foods are naturally high in fiber, antioxidants, phytochemicals, and low in saturated fat. One of the biggest benefits? Cholesterol-free protein sources, which help support cardiovascular health. What is a pescatarian diet? Pescatarians follow a plant-based diet, like vegetarians, but include fish and seafood. They avoid red meat and poultry, but may eat dairy and eggs as well. This diet introduces several essential nutrients found almost exclusively in animal products, including omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, vitamin B12, heme iron, and high-quality complete proteins. Including seafood gives pescatarians an edge in brain function, anti-inflammation, and joint health. Let's talk protein, one of the most vital building blocks of the human body. Plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, quinoa, and nuts are rich in fiber and phytonutrients, but they often lack one or more essential amino acids. That's why vegetarians must combine sources, like beans and rice, to get a complete protein profile. Pescatarians benefit from complete animal proteins found in fish, which contain all 9 essential amino acids in optimal ratios for muscle repair, immune health, and enzyme production. Here's where it gets scientific. Vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and red blood cell formation, is absent in plants. Vegetarians often rely on supplements or fortified foods. Pescatarians get B12 naturally from fish, especially sardines, tuna, and salmon. Iron is another crucial nutrient. Plants contain non-heme iron, which has lower bioavailability, meaning your body absorbs it less efficiently. Fish contains heme iron, which absorbs 2 to 3 times better. The same goes for zinc, which is critical for immunity and wound healing. Animal sources enhance absorption better than plants. Perhaps the biggest nutritional gap is omega-3 fatty acids. Plant-based sources like flaxseed, chia, and walnuts contain ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which converts poorly to EPA and DHA. Only 5 to 10% of ALA becomes active in the body. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and trout provide preformed EPA and DHA, which are directly used by the brain and retina. These omega-3s are anti-inflammatory and linked to reduced risk of depression, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. Studies consistently show that both vegetarian and pescatarian diets improve cardiovascular outcomes, but for different reasons. Vegetarians benefit from lower LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and higher fiber intake, which helps reduce plaque buildup. Pescatarians enjoy those benefits plus omega-3s that improve HDL cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and lower inflammation in arterial walls. Long-term population studies, like the Adventist Health Study, show that pescatarians live slightly longer on average than vegetarians and vegans. Ethics and sustainability often drive diet choices. A vegetarian diet has a lower carbon footprint, especially when avoiding dairy. Pescatarian diets, while more impactful than vegetarian ones, are still much lower in environmental impact than omnivorous diets, especially if fish is sourced sustainably. Overfishing and bycatch are real concerns, but choosing MSC-certified fish or aquaculture-raised options can help. So, which diet is better? It depends on your goals. Choose vegetarian if you want a lower environmental impact and are ready to supplement smartly. Choose pescatarian if you value complete protein, omega-3s, and easier access to essential nutrients. Either path, when planned well, can support a long, vibrant, and disease-free life. Let us know in the comments which diet speaks to you, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition videos.